Mm. So today, yesterday, I mean, we have discussed the concept of synchronization, right? And today we will discuss select and constraint. And these two action modes are remaining, and which will be used, which I mean, where we use and when we are using this select and constraint, and what is a table. And select and constraint is only working on the tables. And how do we scan the tables? How do we automate the table through the application? And how do we perform the different action modes on the table? We'll see in today's session. Next. So in order to see this, I'm not opening the demo web shop. It is the normal application where if I show you, you will be confused. So I have got another application only, I mean, this is another application. So why I have got this application only for these tables is because the user interface of this application is very easy and it looks quite interesting, and it would be easy for you to scan and understand as well. So that would be the reason that I'm trying to open the new application. I will share you the link at the end of this class. No, I will share you right now. Did you get my link? Whatever I have sent,
Yes.
please save it somewhere,
Yeah, yes.
but don't share with anyone. So this is a simple application which is a shoe portal, a sample shoe portal which is developed by one of my colleagues. Okay, please don't save their link to anyone and don't share with anyone. Okay, and just keep it with you only for your practice purpose. So
Okay.
as I told you, if there is any web tables in an application, so then you will be the this table operations and how do we use these table operations? How do we scan this table? This is a table kind of thing. There are many different rows and columns here. You can see it, and different rows and columns are present. Like you can just select any categories that support shoes or sneakers or whatever it might be. There are multiple tables. The reason behind me selecting this is their different categories. So even when you are trying to practice, you can select to whatever the category you want and you can perform the actions. For example, I'm trying to select a category called formal shoes. This is a formal shoes, right? So this is the basic table which I have just opened. And this looks like a table. And how do we scan this table? How do I automate how do I automate this table? And how come the action mode select and constraint will be used when we are working on these tables? Okay. Just go back to your Tosca tool. Uh, Create new module in module section. Select the application. What I'm doing here, I will create one folder. Okay. What is this one? Is online shoe portal. Scan application. Select on screen. Select the complete table. Okay. When you see, can you see here the complete table? When I move the cursor, the complete table got identified. Whenever I just click on select on screen, I over my mouse onto this, I would be able to see this complete table getting identified. So I have just click on this. So you see the complete table, right? The complete table is identified. Scanning a table in Tosca is very easy when it is compared to scanning any other control. So disable this option and see it is not unique actually. So select on that. Let me try the properties. There is a class name, but it is not check. Let me select this class name because it is under best practice, right? So that's why. So it is unique now. So I want to rename this table formal. Choose. Just save it and close. So before that, whatever you create, right, related to Ace Online Shoe Portal, just create one folder so that you can identify very easily. And so I have just scanned a module, right? See, so this is a table, right? And after creating a module, you could see that table has got created. So if you expand this is a normal representation or the visualization of how the table looks like. Basically, any table contains rows and columns, right? Even those who also identified the particular table with the rows and columns, each and every row will contain few values, few cells, right? And this is the basic representation of hierarchy of how the table looks like. And this is a complete table. So horizontal lines means rows, vertical lines means columns. Each and every row contains cells. Cells means exact values. Now I'm going to take this model to my test case. Okay. So I'm going to rename it table operations. As soon as you have moved your module into your test case, you could see the module being um, converted into a test step in the same representation. You can see rows and columns, right? So now the actual work starts on the table. Before that, I want to ask you one question. How many rows are there in this table? How many rows are there in this table?
Five.
One, two, three, four.
How about the
Correct?
header? Header?
Header is not considered.
Okay.
See, if you want to find out what is the first row, then this is the table, right? In this table, if you want to navigate to the first row, what you can do is,
Oh,
I will
I
show
should
one
not.
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, for that you have one idea. Mm. Please save it somewhere. I have sent something in chat box.
Yes.
Did you all save the chat box? This table.
Yes.
So here, first you need to try to understand what is this. So this is the like table, like this is a sample table, like. So here, three ways of identifying a table. Okay. Here I mentioned dollars and hashtag. So dollars always here see first row is considered as a header and row one starts from the next header. Hashtag always row one starts from header. Okay. You can see hashtag one, hashtag two, hashtag three. It starts from header only. And dollar header means it starts from header and dollar one. Okay. Starts from next header. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
See the difference.
Like,
Dollar header starts from here and hashtag one starts from here. If you want dollar one, the next header considered as dollar one. So just
mm,
this is I mean I want to give a basic idea. So and third one is in case we have two same names in a table and you want to vary a first one in the table, then you can use hashtag one to find the first occurrence or any number of occurrence. And
mm,
here using constraint option. Constraint option means select and constraint, right? Constraint when we are using providing condition in order to find a row. Let me check. First, we'll see the uh, examples. So my question is, if you want to find out what is the first row in this table, if you want to navigate to the first row, what you can do is this is the first row, right?
mm,
This is the dollar header. You can
yeah.
see, right? So
Mm,
this is the dollar header. This is the dollar one, dollar two, dollar three, dollar four. Correct? If you
yeah.
want to take hashtags, hashtag one, hashtag two, hashtag three, hashtag four, hashtag five. But hashtag when we are using when I mean in case if we have two same names or if we don't know any, I mean I know the shoe name, but I don't know in which row it is there. So that time hashtag we will use.
Mm,
In I will take some scenarios, few scenarios, I will explain, then only you can understand what I'm saying. Now you
okay.
can see automatically what has happened. This is the first row, right? Just click on drop down. Already it is there, dollar one. Okay. Dollar one automatically it will take select option. So this is by the action mode select and constraint will be used on web table. Now see, I have not done anything, but when I just selected something on this table, what now the see the action mode select has been used. But why? Whenever you perform any action on the tables, you should select the complete table, then only you can perform the actions. That's why as soon as you have selected the row one as dollar one indicates with as a row one. You are saying to Tosca, please select row one in this complete table. Now Tosca will go to the table and in this table, it will go to the first row. And what is your first row? As per your identification, in this first row, how many cells are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Total six. If you want to
Yeah.
find out in this row, which cell you want? This is the table, complete table. And this is the row one, which means dollar one. And cell. Cell means this is the first cell. So here, this is the cell, right? When you click on that, there is a drop down arrow, click and show. See? You can see here automatically when you scan the application, Tosca itself has scanned. Shoe name, shoe, color available, size available, price, description, everything is same. Shoe name, shoe, color available, size available, price, description, right?
Yeah.
Everything are there. So you have scanned only the table, right? Very simple task within a minute you have scanned, but Tosca has completely scanned everything. So here in headers, there are six content, one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay. In this table, in the first row, what is the first cell?
Show name.
Show name. In the first row, what you will see? Classic Chaltanam.
Message.
So how do you want to verify that in Tosca? I mean, manually you are seeing the application. So you can say that this is the first row, the first cell is classic Chaltanam. But
Yeah.
how come you will verify the same from Tosca? Now see, this is the dollar one, right? So the
Okay.
first row in the row, I have mentioned dollar one. So it will take this row and I want the first cell. So I'm taking again dollar one. Okay.
Okay.
I want to buffer the value, but I need to give a value, right? So what it will give? Anything. You want anything. The first row you can take any not mandatory dollar one you have to mention. So you can do anything like any name. Just I mean whatever the value the classic chaltanam. Okay, you are storing in this variable, right? So I want to buffer the value into dollar. This whatever the classic chaltanam, right? This value I want to store in this variable name, the first row. So let me just execute this test case. Before that, I want to see again, this is one huge concept. I'll explain later why I'm doing here. It get passed. So see, buffer with the name first row has been set to value classic Chaltanam. You can see the buffer viewer also. What is this? In variable, first row variable name. What is the value? Classic Chaltanam. Correct? You are seeing, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
here I'm taking a dollar first row and I'm taking the first cell. So whatever we are seeing that I'm going to verify and I want to store the value. So this is the scenario I have done here. Did you understand what I have done right now?
Yeah. A little bit.
Little bit. Okay.
Yeah. But how come the thing which is not applicable for why the column like cell because
Mhm.
um, yeah, in row there is a header above the first row, right? So
Yeah,
it
that's why I'm telling you.
yeah,
So this is the
yeah, that
I'm
that
repeating
is
once
fine.
again.
Yeah, that is fine. But it is not considering the same as for column. How it is?
As per column means. So this is the dollar header. If you take a dollar header, right, it will
Okay.
I mean, shoe name, it will display for you.
Okay.
Dollar header. If you
Mm.
take dollar one, I mean, dollar one means what I'm saying, you
Oh,
are confusing Shakti.
no, no, no.
So,
Dollar one means the classic Cheltenham. Right.
yeah,
I
dollar two means
understand.
prestige ballot bargain. This is the
Okay,
rows
okay.
actually, right? And this is the
Okay.
column. Okay. Column also dollar one, dollar two, dollar three, dollar four, dollar five, dollar six. So that's why I'm
Oh,
see. This
okay.
is the cell. You can
Yeah.
mention $1, $2, $3. But
Uh-uh.
instead of that, when you
Okay.
scan the application, it is showing like shoe name, shoe color available. You can select also these options.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to shoe name, see, I'm taking a shoe name. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
And I'm taking a second row. For example, dollar
Two.
two.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Now I want to buffer the value second row.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what is the result that actually I got?
The second one, I think.
Prestige ballot value. Okay, right?
Yeah.
This is the result I wanted.
Uh,
Now see, I want to execute this scratch book. Hmm. It gets fast. Now see in buffer viewer, what is this answer?
yeah. Prestige Bartlett Bar.
Now you understand?
Yeah. Yes. But
Yeah.
okay. Let you proceed. I will get understand later. Like if I
Yeah.
used to it, I will get.
Little bit. Yeah. Little bit you can understand, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want a shoe, like see, if you want a shoe, this is the image, right?
Yes.
And this is the color available. This is the size available. You can also store the buffer value, this description also. Let
Oh.
me take more scenarios so that you can
Mm.
understand.
Yeah. Okay.
And next, what now you came to know this is the second row and this is second cell and this would be the say I mean third, fourth, fifth. So you either you can use the numbers or you can also instead of using these numbers and you can also use this shoe name. Okay, just go to this table again. So in the first row, in the get me the shoe name. Okay, if you want you can change the variable name also. This is not mandatory, I'm telling you. This is not mandatory, guys. If you want take any A, B, C, D, E also you can take and you can buffer it. If you want any like P, O, I, U, Y. Let me see. There is no mandatory that you should like for $1 or first row or second row. You can give any variable name. See, right? Crystal ballot value. Again, it's stored in this variable. So it is up to your convenience how to use this table operation. And next, actually, there is no difference. It is only the way that we develop the test case. For my convenience, I can use the category of the product of the table directly itself, or I can use the number here, index position as $1, $2, $3. I mean, it will go to the particular cell. I hope you will get the points what I'm saying, how to steer and navigate into this table. And I will take one more example. In this table, I want to go to the second row. I want to store the name of the product and change the color of the show from black to brown. So I want to go to this second row and I want to store this name of the product and I want to change the color of this shoe from black to brown. Okay. And I want to change of the shoe from 7 to something 10 and verify the price of the shoe and store the description of this shoe. Did you understand what is my scenario?
Yeah. Yes.
This is the second row. I want to store this name of the product and I want to change the color from black to brown and I want to also change the size and I want to verify the price of this shoe and store the description. But how do you do that?
It's a huge
So
scenario.
I'm going to copy this one,
Okay.
paste it. Okay. Now see, I have deleted all values. Now I want a row, second row, right? So you need to select second row, $2. Okay. Here there is no value. Automatically it will select by default action mode select. Okay. Now I am saying to Tosca, please go to this table, select this complete table. Inside this table, go to the second row. After going into the second row, I'm saying get me the name of this shoe. Correct? So if I want to get the name of this shoe, what I will do? I want to buffer, right? So shoe name,
Yeah.
I want to buffer like
But for a different life, he works for purities and everything, on success
second
factor.
row,
And certain
and I want to
he
buffer the
joined with
value.
us recently, and he is primarily doing the
Okay.
Tosca
I want to get the name
automation.
and I need to,
So
who is
I think
talking
he is
now?
facing some trouble. So let's see
Yeah.
what
Please
I need
mute.
from you is because I don't need this. Okay.
So now I want to get the name, I need to buffer it. Correct? Then what I'm saying, please change the color,
He has
okay,
done his
from black
he
to
has
brown,
seen that how the
right?
specs are.
So there is a next cell here.
Maybe he will try
So
to
next cell, what I'm doing, I'm selecting color available and
yeah.
I want to give input. Input, right? I want to select it. So that's why input. Next, there is a option, right? What it is? Black, brown. Correct? So
Yeah.
let me take from here so that I don't want any space. That's why. I don't want any special characters also. So let me just paste it here. Input, right? And I want size available. I want to give input that is 10. Okay. And now I am asking to verify the price of the shoe. Now it is price. What is this price?
175.
Dollar 175. You can take it directly also, no issue. Copy, paste. You want to verify, right? And last one, description. So you want to buffer the value, right? Buffer. What is the description? Show description, right? So I want to ask you one question. If I execute this test case, is it pass or fail? Is it pass or fail?
Yeah, it will
Anything.
pass.
See, if you don't know answer, but your instinct saying it is pass, then you can say. If your instinct saying like no, but you don't know how it works, but your answer is no. That time also you can tell it is no, but I don't know how it works. What your instinct saying. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Where is Shakti?
No, she's not, ma'am.
Mm. Surendra, did you got my scenario? What I'm saying?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
it's will pass only.
It is pass. Okay. So shall we wait for some time? Because Shakti is not there. I think she's disconnected because of some internet connection.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Mm. So guys, we'll wait for some time. I mean, two more persons are not there, right? If they are not joining, then we'll continue tomorrow. Otherwise, they will confuse, okay, along with you. And so, and tomorrow I will repeat once again these scenarios because this table operations, it's quite complicated for you, right? Little bit.
Yeah, yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Surendra.
Yeah, okay.
I think she is not available for today class and she's in offline. I think there is some internet connection. So what I'm saying, tomorrow we'll continue with these concepts. Okay, I will start from this scenario. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Surinder.
One more thing,
Tarun. Yeah. Yeah, Surinder.
actually, in that course section, I selected that course detail, ma'am, but I, I can't see that. I think I don't have the access. I think.
Okay, do one thing, Surinder. Um. Uh. Just send me a message. Hi from your number to my WhatsApp. Okay. I'll send the
Okay.
link.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, Surinder. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. So don't forget. Just send me a message. Hi. I'll send.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Tarun, do you have any queries? Are you there, Tarun?
I think Tarun also is in offline.
I think so. Okay, Surinder. Then let's meet tomorrow.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
Yeah. Okay, then see you and take care, Surinder and Tarun. Have a good day. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.